With such an ICT-rich environment, we obviously use it a lot as a management tool, and staff will communicate a lot using ICT. It's been really invaluable because we work across more than one site. So in terms of accessing information, it saves people getting in their cars and going across. So it has saved time enormously in that respect. Staff can access all their assessments, online resources via the web at home, so it means you're not constrained to the school day.
We've used technology to make our administration systems more efficient. We've got one finance department now, we've got one personnel department, and we've saved a lot of money, which is, again, we've used to invest in new technologies.
We also have an online reporting system which has really speeded up the amount of time that staff are spending filling in grades. We do 6 weekly reporting on all of our students, and having a system that's easy and user-friendly has been really important for our staff.
If you talk to a student in the school, they are far more aware about where they are in the learning process. They are also far more aware about what they need to do to aspire to the next level in their development.
One of the things we've been interested in doing is to use web technologies in new ways and actually have these customer feedback loops which tell us A, what the staff think, B, what parents think, and C, what the students think. And so that can be fed into a model which tells you this is how you're doing.
We have assessment data in our management information system, and consequently staff not only call up a class register but can immediately access performance data, prior attainment data, maybe whether they're gifted and talented, special needs requirements and so on. So it's integrating the data together with the day-to-day running of the establishment. In terms of our management information system linking to the gateway, what we've had to do is develop systems where data is extracted from one into the other. So, for example, student data will be extracted from our management information system, and that will populate the Learning Gateway with certain base data. That could also include some challenge grades or performance data as well. So the transfer of information and the transfer of learning, in a sense as well, is a growing development. So as well as traditional types of data, we are exploring other avenues. Now again, the wealth of information means that you will miss something unless you have the capacity to sift and filter that electronically and to look for trends and patterns in it.
The future really depend on developing a business intelligence model which looks at risk factors on children and can understand subgroups and then allow us to tailor interventions and support strategies to reduce risks on individual children as well as subgroups.